Man, look at that deliciousness. Hi, Red here, and welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday. Today I'm in Sasebo, and I'm on the lookout for the infamous Sasebo Burger. Sasebo has lots of burger joints, but we're looking out for one. We're right beside the Ginza. Let's get to it. As you can see, I'm right outside Big Man Burgers. Let's go get ourselves a Sasebo Burger. Arigato.
Okay.
And onion rings?
4 piece, 8 piece.
4.
4 piece.
Right. And Pepsi, medium.
Medium.
Right. So we'll go over some history of the Sasebo Burger while you all get to watch them actually make my burger in front of your eyes. So these days you can find a burger anywhere in Japan, from the fast food franchise to a mom and pop sandwich shops. It is said that the hamburgers came to Japan from US after World War II. Today, some of the local burger shops around US bases are popular spots where Japanese and tourists from all over the world, as well as American military personnel, regularly stop for a bite of their special burgers. The most well-known Japanese burger is the Sasebo Burger, which was born and raised around Sasebo Naval Base in Nagasaki, Japan. It is common to see people lined up in front of their burger joints throughout Sasebo City to get their favorite burgers on the weekends. The official standards for a Sasebo Burger, according to the Sasebo Tourism Office, are homemade, cooked-to-order patties served on a bun with as many local products or ingredients, such as tomatoes, lettuce, as possible. On average, a Sasebo Burger are 4 to 5 inches tall, and most city-certified burger shops will have their own unique twist on the iconic sandwich. Some of these interesting takes include substituting the beef patty with Berkshire pork, a chicken cutlet, meatloaf, or even an omelet. Others proudly adhere to their tradition of a 100% beef patty. Finding your favorite burger, which can range anywhere from $4 to $10 US money, is a fun and major attraction in Sasebo City, Japan. Man, look at that deliciousness. Look at that. That is a tasty burger. Well, you know I enjoyed making this video. I've had a lot of Sasebo burgers, but Big Man to this day is still my favorite. If you're ever in Sasebo, give Big Man a chance. As always, leave a comment. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Helps out the channel greatly. Until next time, thanks for watching.